You guys wanted a video, we're going to try another video. We've been trying to get this rear end broke loose on this truck. Kid wants to lower it. We sold this truck to him a few days ago. He wants to lower it now. Let's see if we can get this to work. Nice and hot. All right, Mike, give that a try. Oh, it cracked, didn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, see if we can get it by hand.
There you go. Nice.
It's coming loose, ain't it?
I'm probably in her way.
You're fine. Couldn't do that before, could you?
No. There wasn't no way. I worked on that for I don't know how long, man. It just would not break loose.
All right, we'll try the other one after this.
All right.
Let's just crack the other one.
All right.
You're try to kick on it like you were.
Okay.
There, I'll give it a try. What the hell? Twisting it.
Is it?
It's twisting the U-bolt.
Okay.
Let's give it a try
Got the
again.
heat to it.
And a lot of guys have said they can use a torch. Yeah, that's great. But if you're working on high-end cars like we do in the shop in there, you don't want to burn off paint or brake lines, wiring, etc. So we're giving this a shot again. We worked on the other side. He's been fighting this for probably half hour out here.
Or a little more.
Yeah. We're just looking for another reason to use this tool for the video, and just so happened that the guy called me up wanting this lowered this weekend, so see if that's enough. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Couldn't do that before.
No, no way.
And we didn't break anything.
Nope.
Yeah, go ahead and finish that up. And these guys were asking if it came with any different attachments. It comes with a kit, or it doesn't come with. You can, in addition to, get a kit with different size attachments. And this one here, that say you got a hitch ball or something that won't come off, you can wrap that around. Use it for different situations. But there's proof the thing works.
It works good.
Without a heat wrench. So the Mini-doctor from Snap-on. I know we've had a lot of comments, but it's a handy tool, saves a lot of time.